PayPal has reported earnings that exceeded analyst expectations. Revenue rising some 14% in the third quarter. The company also boosting its fourth quarter outlook. Now, PayPal says it's also making progress on monetizing Venmo, its mobile payment services. For more on all of this, Jeremy Kahn, Bloomberg's senior tech reporter, joins us. Jeremy, I'm looking at pre-market. They're about 6% higher. What are they doing so right?
Well, I think, just they're doing really well on mobile transactions, on online transactions, all of which is sort of their sweet spot. They're doing very well there. As you know, the economy in the U.S. is doing very well, so that tends to help. As a payments company, a lot of this just tracks sort of activity in the economy as a whole. One of the other things they're doing, though, is trying to move into the in-store experience, trying to really offer their customers, the retailers, this omni-channel possibility. And they've signed a big deal with Walmart recently to start offering PayPal in-store. I think you're going to start seeing more of those kind of deals going forward.
What are the weaknesses in PayPal? How many rivals do they have wanting to do the same thing?
Yeah, I mean, it's a competitive space, payments, and PayPal is one of the better companies in that space. But there are others out there. There's a company out of here in Europe called Adyen, based in the Netherlands. I just met with them last week. They're doing extremely well, and they very famously displaced PayPal as the main online payments processor for eBay. eBay had been a big account for PayPal, had at one point owned PayPal, and so that was a big win for Adyen and a big loss for PayPal. They're also competing with Stripe, with Square, and as well as these older payment companies like Chase Payment Tech, which is owned by JP Chase. So there's lots and lots of competition here, and PayPal really has to stay on its game in order to keep ahead. But they seem to be doing that. I mean, as you said, the earnings beat analysts' expectations, and they raised their full-year forecast. So they seem to be executing well.